Binance wallet to exchange transfer. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to transfer from Binance wallet to any exchanger or to Binance exchanger. So after you open up the Binance wallet, now go to assets. After you come to asset, here you'll be able to see all your list of the asset on your Binance wallet. So let's say you have some BNB and you want to transfer the BNB into your Binance exchanger. Just tap on the BNB. So after you tap on the BNB, now tap on this send button. So after you tap on this send button, so make sure you copy the address of the coin you want to transfer. So I have already copied the address from my Binance exchanger. So here is it now. I'll paste in the address. After I paste in the address like this, now tap on this continue button. So here it will ask you now to type in the amount you want to transfer. So I'll just type in like 20 BNB. So after you type in the amount you want to transfer, just tap on this continue button. From there, the BNB or the crypto coin will be sent into the exchanger that you copied the address from it. And that's it, guys.